Hello guys, how to international payment active Nabil Bank or Nabil Bank card. So I am going to the first my open my Nabil Bank. Okay, so open my Nabil Bank. Select this your card option. Okay, please you just click the card option. So this already link your card, different type the card. My this first Mastercard is unpaired. Second Nabil Bank Visa card is USD Visa card. Third is virtual card. Okay, virtual card is provide Nepal government for the $500 per year. Okay, this is virtual card. This is my debit card is this is my debit card is in this card is my bank account's link card. I have already my bank account. um, I have my dollar bank account in Nabil Bank. Okay, so this card is international payment activate. Okay, how to international payment activate? So click the enable to international payment activate. Okay, so I am click this international payment activate. Select your date. If this selected my time is this selected. You know, okay, selected. This is my international payment activate on 29. 2029. Okay. So click the biometric login 4 digit. Okay, this is Jitendra Sai. You have successfully activate 2020 देखिए 21 some international payment activate. Okay, if you want to be against time selected same time again do you it. Okay.